of the university. This is doing good for public interest, and some government system and bank system, they are all doing the public interest. But it is not allowed you to do like some computer virus, like some hacking programs, hacking softwares. No, that not should be done by computer engineers. Okay, this is public. And about the client, is who pay the development fee, and also the employer. This is like you. When you join to some company, then you become an employer. For this aspect, software engineers shall act in a manner that is in the best interest of the client and the employer consistent with the public interest. So this means if your employer or your client ask you to do something that's not good for the public interest, you should reject their requirement. Okay, you should reject the requirement. This is a principle. This is the principle. And for the software itself, it's called a product, a software product. The third one, the software engineers and shall ensure that the product and the related modification meet the highest professional standard possible. This means when you deliver the software to the client, to the market, you should guarantee that this is your highest professional standard, follow this standard, that this product can work, can run, and have stability, availability, usability. Okay, this is for the product. And let's continue. The judgment, because as a profession, you have some ability, you have knowledge. So you should have your own principles, also called the code of ethics. You should know what is good and what is bad. So software engineers shall maintain independence, okay? Independence in their professional judgment. You cannot influenced by other powerful people, powerful organization to force you to do the unfair judgment. You should always keep independence to doing the things. Okay, this is the judgment. You should have this ability. And the management, okay, management, it becomes the PM, project manager, and software engineer managers and the leaders shall subscribe to and promote an ethical approach to the management of software development and maintenance. Okay, not only yourself to follow the ethical. You also, if you become manager or leaders, you must have your own approach about the ethic. You should use this approach to promote your team, your employers to follow the ethical, And the sixth one is profession. Profession means software engineers shall advance the integrity. This means honest and honest, and the reputation of the professions. Integrity and reputation. And the seventh principle, the software engineers shall be fair to and supportive of their colleagues. This means if you become a group, join to the company, you will have many colleagues. When you treat about other peoples, in your team, in your company, you should always be fair, okay? Always be fair. And you should support the team member, your company's member. You should always keep supportive. This is the seventh principles. The last one is about yourself, engineering yourself. This is software engineers should participate in long life learning. Long life learning means you should never stop to learn the new things, new technicals, new technologies regarding the practice of the profession, and always shall promote an ethical approach to the practice of the profession. Never stop learning, even you graduate from the university. When you join to the market, join to the company, you should always keep learning, keep learning. Okay, these are the 8 principles of code of ethics defined by IEEE and ACM. Okay, at the end of this chapter one, we have a review here. From this chapter, we should know the software engineering is an engineering discipline that is considered with all